They look just like a normal family, husband, wife, and you don't know what goes on in closed doors, right?
Tonight, a man who handles criminal cases for a living now finds himself on the other side of the law. The Superior Court judge in Orange County now accused of murdering his wife in their home. Eyewitness News reporter Amy Powell live in Anaheim Hills talking to stunned neighbors tonight. Amy.
Oh, that's right, Mark. The peacefulness of this community was shattered by the violence that left a neighbor dead. Tonight, people here are sad and stunned that a judge is accused of murder. He has served on the bench in Orange County Superior Court for more than 7 years, but tonight, Judge Jeffrey Ferguson is a suspected killer. Ferguson was arrested last night at his Anaheim Hills home, accused of fatally shooting his wife, Cheryl.
It hits close to home because they're our neighbor and our friends, and they were just at our house, and they look just like a normal family.
Neighbors heard yelling and screaming around 8 last night.
Till I heard a scream last night. At that moment, a man was screaming. He said, "Don't shoot me."
Helicopters and Anaheim police officers arriving, witnesses watching them confront Ferguson as he sat on a ledge outside his house.
And there were about 4 lasers on him that were green, like around his chest, around his face. And they were saying on the helicopter, like, get on the floor. But he was saying, oh, I'm unarmed, but I'm not going to get on the floor.
Judge Ferguson was finally taken into custody. After the shooting, neighbors saw one of Ferguson's adult sons, who they say lives at the home, talking to police. Stunned residents and longtime friends say they can't make sense of the tragedy.
That I just retired as a police chief, and I knew him from, being a young cop and getting search warrants signed and working with him in narcotics, and he's just a stand-up guy, and you just wonder what happened. And
the 72-year-old judge was booked and held on $1 million bail, but released after posting bond. Before he became a judge, Ferguson was a respected prosecutor in the Orange County District Attorney's Office. At the North Justice Center in Fullerton, people who've worked with Ferguson for decades are shocked.
He wanted to help people in his role as a judge, and he did that for an awful lot of people. And frankly, this is pretty devastating news.
Cheryl Ferguson, described by friends as a kind and caring woman.
She'll just always be so gracious and happily to talk, and excited to see us.
Police removed firearms and several boxes of ammunition from the home. Again, the judge is free on bail tonight. Reporting live in Anaheim Hills, Amy Powell, ABC 7 Eyewitness News.
All right. Hello, I'm Mark Brown. Get more great ABC 7 content by clicking the subscribe button for our YouTube channel, and download the ABC 7 Los Angeles streaming app on Fire TV, Android TV, Apple TV, and Roku to watch on your TV.